Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to manage site permissions in DuckDuckGo app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to manage site permissions in DuckDuckGo is crucial for controlling how websites interact with your browser and access your device features. So, by managing site permissions, you can protect your privacy, security, and browsing experience. For example, you can control which websites can access your location, camera, microphone, or notifications. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open DuckDuckGo browser on your device. Well, after that, open the settings page in the three dots here. And then you can select permission. Well, and then tap site permissions here. Okay, so now you can manage the site permissions, which you will give access or not for a site to your device between the several options below. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to manage site permissions in the DuckDuckGo app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.